to take the long road and the shortcut. Monina, packet me the cute dark, Pupago. Bad thing.
We park up.
Yeah, man.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm there with
Chef Ricardo from One Love Africa.
Yeah, family. So check out Chef Ricardo channel, family. One Love Africa. As you know, guys, I'm setting up the Airbnb for you guys, and I'm going to a place called Chinatown to get some stuff. So just want to take you along, and you know what I mean, talk to them. One Love Africa.
Yeah,
show
so
them what going outside.
Before we even show them, so what I want to say is, I heard that there's a Chinatown right here in Kenya. So we know there's Chinese people, Asian people everywhere, and big up to the Asians and respect and love to everyone. One love we say. So we're gonna go to Chinatown in Thika Road, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
China Square.
China Square. Oh yeah, China Square. That's the name of the mall.
In Ghana, they have Chinatown.
In Tanzania, they have Chinatown also.
Okay.
So in Tanzania, there's a Chinatown. In Ghana, there's a Chinatown. And in Kenya, they have a China Street.
China Square. But there's
in Kenya, no, they have one in Nairobi. Yeah, man.
Chinatown.
The Chinatown and China Street, something like that.
But one thing with Kenya family, you don't see a lot of foreigners walking up and down. Like you see them in maybe in Ghana, or you see them by that. I mean, like, you know what I mean, Chinese and stuff.
Hold on.
In Kenya, you don't see them like a walk around. Maybe, I don't know if it's because the city big or what, I don't know. I don't really see them.
Well, like foreigners?
You see like Jamaican, you see them do business and do a lot of things. Like them have regular shops, small shops.
Yeah.
You don't see them like that in Kenya.
No, they really see them like that.
You see them like that. Like you see small shop, you know, that run by a Chinese.
Yes.
Right. So you don't see that
True.
in Kenya. So and that's the thing.
Here.
Yeah, that's the thing. The local, them are the one who have the small shops and stuff here in Kenya, family. So you know, the Chinese man maybe have big business and stuff. We don't see them in the small shop like when they're in Jamaica, and you'd have to pull up and buy something from Mr. Chin. You don't see that as
yeah, man, because Chinese take over Jamaica, Jamaican Chinese.
Yeah.
The real thing, man. So you don't see a lot of Chinese here, as what he's saying. The Asians are here, but you don't see them a lot like in Jamaica, walking around and stuff like that. Yeah, but still, one love for everyone. So we're going to go and see what's going on at this mall. What they have to offer, see what the prices is like, what we can actually get to purchase. So stay tuned, guys.
Yeah. So we actually, I don't know, this is maybe Thika Road. There's a lot of estate and apartment. And so this is what it look like. Turn the camera and show them full time.
Estates, apartments, as you guys can see.
Yeah, there's people all of them place.
Yeah, so we're driving through a community.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know? See what's up. Yeah, man, that's what's up. So, going on further, we will show you guys more. So we just reached China Mall.
It's actually
it's not,
Unity.
yeah, Unity City.
Unity City Mall.
But China Square.
Yeah, but we're going to China Square, family.
Over that side.
And as you can see, it's a big place. As you can see, it's a very big place. Parking up top and park it under the basement. So we're going to the basement parking. As you can see where it says. It says basement.
Basement.
So down there, so we are go family. I go down at the basement to park. And we're going to check out China. As you can see, look at the landscaping and everything. People can sit down, as you can see on the other side. People sitting down, chillaxing and stuff. So it's a nice place that people chill out. And a park. See a man and him girl that's so chill. Same way. Out my kiss to rotted. Yeah, family. So this are the underground parking. And this
That's what we call the basement.
yeah, if you're going to China Square, this parking is the best parking because it's near. Even though it's Unity Center, they've stamped them name family, China Mall. So this is China Center down there, so family, as you can see.
Mulberry food.
And this is the little mall here, so it's nice.
I'm not looking for the food, so I'm just checking out the place. It's awesome.
Yeah, family, last time I was here, there was so much shops for let and stuff. So, you know, as you can see, they have a food court. Yeah, family, but this is China Square. China Square. What you guys have? You guys have local food?
Yeah.
Let me see your menu.
You can go inside. Or do you want to be outside?
Yeah, let me stay outside. Wow, so this is a nice place. As I said, guys, we have a lot of empty shop here for let. Boss, you have no idea how much for one of these shop? How much is it going for? You don't know. Nice place, a restaurant and stuff. We'll check it out and see what you have. So I'm looking at this restaurant. They say Nana Food Court. That's where them have. And record over this one. Yeah, family. So this is Unity City Mall. Also, you know, China Square. So it's a nice place, and it's cool. And you know what I mean? If you're looking for a place to shop, you know, for everything, you can come here, so family. Everything there, food and everything. Yeah, so you know what I mean? We're there.
Make me smile. Come on.
Yeah, family. So we are hanging out at the food court. What's the slogan? How you rate it? It's a nice place.
Yo, right now, out of 10, the way the place took up one thing,
Yeah.
we can give it one 8 or...
8.
We can give it an 8.
Yeah, 8.
You see, so far. It looks good. The place looks good. Like first time coming here.
Yeah.
It's out of Nairobi. It's actually in Thika.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, family. So we're in a place called China Square. And we are going to eat up some food.
We can show
And
you
then we
the
are
menu.
going to go and shop for some stuff for the Airbnb while we go, family. So let's go.
Let me show you the menu.
So show them the menu.
Because as a chef, 1, 2, 3. As a chef, you guys already know. I'm Chef Ricardo from One Love TV, One Love Africa. So let me rate the menu now, because this menu is saying 1. I like the menu so far. It's not a posh place, but the menu is good. Alright, then let's do that. The burger was vegetarian burger. See? Vegetarian burger, yeah. Vegetarian burger. You have normal double cheeseburger, like a Whopper. You come here, sir, you don't miss Burger King, see vegetarian burger.
Yeah. Vegetarian.
Vegetarian patty, cheese, onion, tomato, mustard, lettuce. And you have a whole heap of other things, man. The menu you are wicked. And the price them cheap, cost 6 bills from burger, $6.50. Vegetarian burger, $4.50. Double cheeseburger with double meat, everything is $120, $1,200. I mean, chicken burger, watch out. The people have pancake. See, yeah, man, them have English breakfast, full English breakfast, American breakfast, African breakfast. Them have omelette, double eggs, double pancake, club sandwich, grilled cheese sandwich. Them have ham and cheese sandwich, cheese and tomato sandwich. Yo, the menu look like my menu at Tanzania. I tell you the truth. Alright, look on the barbecue chicken wings, 500 per serving. Crunchy chicken wings, what again? Chicken curry, stir fried chicken, full plate chicken. They have pillow, they have so much stuff, man. The menu is big, I can't go through it. So if you guys want to have a good meal, like 3,000, if you want to bring a crowd, like for 4 person, 4 table. If you say you're going to spend 1,000 for each person, that's 4,000. You can outdo yourself here. See the prices for just for chicken, 300 quad chicken, 350 half chicken. So I'm telling you guys, if you want to come here, it's out of Nairobi, a few minutes out of Nairobi. It's in Thika. I'm not even sure if Thika is in Nairobi. I'm new. Fish, tilapia, whole fish. You have fish fingers. Yo, you have lamb chops. I just ordered this. I ordered the honey garlic lamb chops, the barbecue honey garlic lamb chops. You understand? So let me see what I want to do.
Yeah. Mango juice are coming.
Yeah?
Yeah. Nice mango juice.
Yeah?
Real mango, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Real mango. Real smooth. Yes, so the menu is good. So check it out. Check out the place.
China Square.
China Square. Don't you hear? It's China Square. Don't play around me here. Don't play around here. Yeah. So this is how the masala tea are going on.
Nice one. Yeah, family. So this is me, a fish, greens, and some ugali with some mango juice. I wash my hand now still. And let's dig in. The food come already now, youth. Food come already, man. See there? Yeah, watch them fly. I wash me and come. Yeah, family. So I get my mango juice. And it's nice. Breeze cool. It tastes nice. Yeah, let me say a real mango. It tastes like real mango too.
Well, rich. Not sure.
Yeah. Yeah, family. That slogan, lamb chops.
That was fast.
Lamb chops.
Thank you.
How it look? How it look, slogan?
Settings.
Yeah?
Properly.
Yeah.
Properly.
Come on.
See what I want. So you can read the food. You say sauce this.
Yeah.
Want to be the come close someone, go so I want.
Yeah.
People in so I want. You know what you pay for this? 700 shillings. Or 600 shillings.
Yeah, I pay like 200 US for this in the US, you know.
What?
Imagine steak.
You know what
T-bone steak.
You don't want to talk about Jamaica?
You can't eat steak. If you don't have money.
Okay.
If you don't have your $100 and $200, you can't eat steak.
So?
You can't take a girl on date.
Man, better have your money.
Yeah.
Take a woman on date, and she order steak, the pocket start tremble.
Yeah, come out paying like all 5 bills now. Now tell them how you. That's 5 bills USD. What? It tastes good?
Good.
Yeah.
From the chef.
Take it from the head chef.
Take it from the head chef. Right online.
Yeah, man. I know family. The meat shop is just right beside the restaurant. So, maybe that's why the food is reasonable.
Fresh. All the food meat, they prepare it.
Yeah.
Even the masala. Really good.
Yeah, man. You record you can carry your wife over here so come eat.
Kind of single around so. So, every wife a different thing.
Now people stuck on some single.
Single man.
So?
Okay, rocking his solo like the guy in the polo.
Alright family, let's enjoy. Yeah, so we are saying about the food and all that.
Yo, you're welcome, you're welcome. The food was phenomenal. The food, I've been here a few months now, and this is the first time I'm actually tasting a food like this.
Yeah.
Not cooked by me.
Yeah.
Yo, the ribs. Yo, I was traumatized first because I'm saying, yo, I'm free to order this lamb chops.
Lamb chops.
Yeah, the lamb ribs.
Yeah.
It was I ordered garlic, honey, barbecue garlic honey, lamb ribs.
Yeah.
With roast potato.
Yeah.
I was kind of nervous because I was saying, yo, I don't know if it's going to really real barbecue. I don't know if the food meat is going to be tender.
Yeah.
I think it's going to take for hours, but guess what? Everything out of 10, I rate them 10.
Yeah.
For the food, I rate them 10. Why?
Yeah.
The food came out quicker than I expected.
Yeah. What? Yeah.
Well, very quick.
What? Very quick, dog.
I'm
surprised to
see. I go to wash my hand and come back, the food is ready. I was saying, what the hell? No, man, this can't taste good. I was saying this can't taste good.
Yeah.
When I taste the chai, that is the tea, masala tea was very good. I give them 10 for the masala tea. When I taste the potato roast potato, I give them 10 for the roast potato. The flavor is there. I don't know how they do it, but they did it. And when I taste the barbecue ribs, oh God, yo! I ain't gonna lie, for Chef Ricardo, 10 out of 10.
Yeah, family.
I've eaten a lot of places.
So if you come to Unity City Mall at China Square, you can big up where the restaurant named King's Fried Chicken.
King Fried Chicken.
Yeah,
So
King Fried Chicken.
King's Fried Chicken.
Yeah. Alright family, so that's the end of this video. You hear the chef talk.
And the bill was so cheap.
So cheap, like maybe it's $11-12.
Yeah, it was so cheap.
About a us.
Because my guy eat, you had a fish, a whole fish.
Yeah.
You understand, greens and stuff.
And you see it.
Yeah, let's see for himself. So, the vibes is good.
Yeah, family.
You come and enjoy yourself.
Yeah,
when you come to Africa, make sure budget. I will talk about this in my video.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Check out One Love Africa too.
One Love.
Go like, go share, go subscribe. Yeah, family.
Love Africa.
So when you come at China Square, I'm going to show you why inside China Square. Now the China Mall, as I said guys, I'm shopping for the Airbnb and I'm going to show you. So if you come to Kenya, you're setting up a Airbnb business, you will know where to find this, where to find that, and your little knickknacks. So we are out. One love, God bless. You know, we are out. For 4,000.
Oh.
For the, so, yeah.
You want bigger than this?
Yeah, it's bigger than this, but maybe the quality. 5,000. 5,000. Yeah, family. So we're actually in a carpet place in China Square. So I want to change what my carpet in my house still. But you guys don't have the fluffy one.
The floor.
Fluffy one. It's for 5,000, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
How fluffy it after all?
This one. How much for this one?
6,000.
6,000. This one is the same.
And
No.
You have a bigger one than this one.
Bigger than this one. No.
This is 5x7. So
5x7.
This is 5x8. And this is 5x7.
But the one that me have at home, it never look like this man and appear a good change fee like maybe 12,000. So this one is nice. So this one is for 5,000, right?
This is like, oh, Max, that's why. Workout carpet. Picnic. Yoga. Really, yoga, yeah.
Yoga carpet.
Picnic.
Yeah, family. So we are looking for some carpet. If you come back, maybe come back. I'll take up one of this. It's nice.
No, living room.
Yeah. So this one is for 5,000. And that's big one. How much for that big one there? This big one?
100,000, I think.
No man. This one right here. I want to try this big one.
Price
Yeah, the price.
29,000.
29,000.
This for 29,000?
Yes.
Yeah, not bad,
Sure.
dog. And let me even have,
I thought it would be like almost 100,000.
look at this one. So this one is the long one, family. The long one. The long carpet. It was running through you all the way. This one.
This carpet manufactured in Kenya?
Turkey.
Oh.
Turkey.
So this here's the carpet and cheaper in Nairobi.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's way cheaper, dog.
Because you know carpet in Nairobi big like this.
Yeah.
And actually they're selling it for so much money. Like 100 and something thousand.
How much for those small one there?
89 bathroom carpets.
This one.
Yeah, yeah.
That's for toilets.
How much? Yeah, how much? How much?
1,800.
The one per set.
Yes, that's it.
Set, yeah. Per one. Was it much for one per one?
Which one?
That one.
It's the same.
It's the same. Okay, it's the same. Oh, you just turn around.
Yeah, this set, yeah.
Yeah.
The 3 piece.
Yeah, family. So if you come in for carpet, so you like what you see here, you can actually check it out.
Yo,
It's at-
information.
Yeah, where can them find you?
Where can they find the information? Tell them about your store.
Yeah, and
Where
tell
can they
them
find you?
where can they find you and stuff. For people who want to come on,
I'm
pay
here to
you.
talk with her.
Yes, China Square.
She's
Yeah.
the person to talk to.
China Square. So check
Yes,
out China Square.
Mall. Yes.
China
I
Square
want-
Mall.
Yes.
Name of the place?
This one.
Yes.
Rouge Gallery.
Rouge Rug Gallery.
Rug.
Rouge.
Or Rouge Gallery. Right outside. Okay, check out Rouge Gallery when you come into China Store Mall. If you guys want to get good carpets, because these prices are actually cheaper than Nairobi, and these carpets is shipped from Turkey. So you want a good Persian mat, check out the place.
Yeah.
Good price, I like it.
Yeah, family. And if I give one love, Africa, I give him a big ambassador job to market maybe Porsche. Or one of those big.
Yeah, man. Any
One of those
marketing, I'm
big.
here.
Any marketing.
We're there, man.
One Love Africa. Link him up. He can
One
get
Love.
He can get your product sell
You know,
fast.
sir, and then the man love.
Fast. A girl love.
You understand? Alright then, peace.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. So let's go to China Square. Hello. Hi. Zero 7
46
46
07
07
66
6622. All right. Claude slogan. Mary, right?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Take care. All the best.
Thank you.
Go on the wrong side. Should look this side.
Yeah.
Should look this side.
Yeah. I know. Yeah, family. So I just, peel off a little donation. And it's always good to give. When you give, you get it back a million times. So let's go.